Hello and welcome. I am so glad you're here. So today we are going to talk about how to get rid of this terrible glare from your glasses. If you're a person who wears glasses like me and you record videos, you most likely find that it is a challenge to get both the proper lighting and no glare on your glasses. But there are a few really simple tricks that you can do that will make that glare much less noticeable, if not get rid of it altogether. Because as you can see, the glare is very distracting for both you, the audience, and me. All right, so here we go. Let's get rid of this glare. So the first thing that we want to do is position our external lighting. So I use a small selfie ring and then a 3-tiered tower of lights. Here's a picture just so you have a better idea. So the first thing I'm going to do is just move my selfie light to a 45-degree angle off of my right shoulder. All right, so there we go. Now doing just that helped significantly. Now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to change the angle of my computer. As you can tell, I'm really sitting above my camera and I don't want to do that. So I'm going to lift up my computer. Now I'm just going to set it on this. It's what, maybe 3 inches, still a little lap board. You could use books, you could use a small box, whatever you need to get your computer raised. You want it above eye level. All right, there we go. So that has helped to reduce a little bit of glare as well. Now next, I am going to reduce the brightness on my computer screen. And you just find the key with the little sun on it, or you can go into your settings and adjust brightness. So I am going to go ahead and turn it all the way down. So it's really dim for me, but for you as a viewer, you can tell it doesn't affect your screen. What it does do is dramatically reduce the amount of glare coming in off of my glasses. Now, we can see that I still have some glare. That is from my tower lights that I have sitting behind the computer. And I need those to light my room. This room just has terrible lighting. It's like the logs absorb the light or something. So those lights are necessary. Without them, I have a lot of shadows. It's just, well, I'll show you. Let me show you. So see, it's even worse without those lights. Let me turn them back on. Okay, there we go. So the lighting overall is much better, but I still have that glare. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place just this piece of poster board behind my computer. And it's tall, so what it's doing is preventing that light from shining over the top of my computer. Now I still have a little bit of glare over here. There we go. That has the least amount of shadow causing light. So that is the softest setting on the selfie ring. And then of course I do have a desk lamp over here. Let me show you. And it is pointing straight down. There we go. And what this does is it kind of helps to light from underneath, which will really help with the shadow from the thick frame of my glasses. So there you have it. It's not quite perfect. I still have a little bit of a glare, but it is dramatically better than the glare that I started out with. So there you have it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you again soon.